You want him to check your ears? Why?
I know.
Are you sick?
Yeah.
What do you need?
I'm sick, Mommy.
You're sick?
Yeah.
Oh no. What hurts?
My ear, Mommy.
Is Samuel sick?
I'm sick.
You're sick?
Yeah, I'm sick. I'm sick, Mommy.
You have a bad cough, Sambo. I know. Oh, Elizabeth, what's wrong with you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Do you feel sick, Elizabeth?
I